think it's possible that he can bring this negative $2.62 balance to something higher? Let's find out.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
What you missed yesterday was AUD USD in the analysis with AUD yesterday, because this was a good educational um educational meeting what we did have yesterday. So on the monthly time frame on the AUD USD, the market, all right, so two things. So we clearly see that this is actually support area right here or right here basically, because the market closed above. So right here is a support area. So we realize the market right here support, broke it, come back, retest, turn into a resistance, come back, resistance. So with this pattern, we see one thing. Tell me what you see right here. What you see right is our farm. Let me see if you spot it
Where's
out.
the way? Right, is it?
What pattern you see a farm right is
Oh, head and shoulder.
Ah, I'm proud of you, dog.
Big old head now, me girl.
I'm proud of you, dog. I'm proud of you. All right, so right here, come back down. Right here, then
Mm-hmm.
this long head, come back right here. Clearly come back up and retest the exact line. So for the monthly time frame, we should expect for the market to finish the head and shoulder pattern and continue
Mm-hmm.
on the upward. So for right now, we are expecting for this month to close right here, and then do a retracement to around right here to to do the head and shoulder pattern right here, and then continue on the upside. Even if you
Mm-hmm.
grab the Fibonacci tool, remove joint, and grab it from right here to right here, we'll clearly see that this area, the 0.0.23, is the first is actually the support area, which is the left side of the shoulder and is going to be the right side of the shoulder for the retracement and continue upward. So we are expecting for the market to close right here, and then the next month do a retracement, and then the following month we are going to see our next bullish rally to the upside to actually go all the way up. So this is a market that we should be watching, because this was an all-time low. So we expect for AUD to actually come back up and try and retest these areas, because the market is actually opening back. So yeah, so that was the inverted head and shoulder. For them, I have to say, you see, dog. So
Going to like you follow the new feed.
for real, dog, for real, I have to say, you see. So
Pound USD.
pound, huh?
Pound
USD.
USD, yeah. Big
All right.
nice stuff on it was like easy for me.
So pound USD. Let me check on the monthly
With the
time
on
frame.
weekly, me the on what go on the monthly, yeah.
So let's see here. Let me see. So clearly we can see right off the bat that right here is a strong resistance area.
Mm-hmm.
Our own right here is a resistance area. Every time the market close above right here, close right on the line, retest, reject, three rejects right there. So the monthly, we say that the market is trying to come up, but it look like a big retracement, right? This look like a long wick right here. So on the monthly time frame, it still look like it in our bullish, a bearish momentum, um, and a bearish momentum right there. Let me see, grab the channel. Mm. So it look like it on downtrend. So what it looks like it might create a bearish flag. So what we expect from this is a possibility that the upcoming months it might break out and then retest the trend line, the top of the trend line, and then continue upward. So that's what we should expect for the market to do. But let's check the COT report because I want to verify what the bigger boss tomorrow. COT report. Whoa, bro. Whoa.
Hold on.
All
Our
right.
one.
So we can say, all right, let me
Oh,
see. So clearly we have way more shorts than longs. So this, as I say, it is in a bearish momentum. So more likely, what I'm expecting right now is for the market
continue.
to come right here, and
Oh,
then right here is a hard sell pressure, and then right there we should expect for the market to come all the way down, retest this line, and then either break low, retest, and then continue downward to finish the bearish momentum. So clearly 60% non-commercial, 64%, 42%, everybody doing short on this pair. So definitely we're not expecting for the market to do any bearish momentum right now. So let's jump into the weekly time frame, see what the market is doing. Market look like it a consolidate in a way right here on a weekly time frame. It was a down, two downs right there, come back up. Um, let's see. So look at the market is retesting this area, this
mm-hmm.
area. So clearly this area was a support, now turned resistance. So as you can see right here was support,
Exactly,
then it
Melbourne.
break and turn a resistance, break this candlestick, turn a support, come back, strong bearish momentum. Wow, strong bearish momentum, come back up, and is just I and because of all right. So because of that rally, because of that drop, sorry, let me grab my Fibonacci and start from right there, come all the way right here. So because of that rally, we expect all right. So you aware of the 0.618, the golden ratio?
No.
You know aware of that? Seriously?
No.
From the Fibonacci, the 0.
Me, I forgot to do a whole
Golden ratio. Hold on.
learning course on that.
Golden
I seen
ratio.
for them, sir, is Fibonacci.
Me too. And because of that, I'm actually learning. So the golden ratio describes predictable patterns on everything from oh wait, Fibonacci Forex. Yeah. So when used in technical analysis, the golden ratio is typically translated in three percentage: the 0.382, the zero
Mm-hmm.
point 0.5, and the 0.618. So the golden ratio is actually one of those three structures. So 90% of the time, the market always come to the 0.618 and then continue the pattern. So as you can see, after that drop,
Mm.
AU up bar, down bar prediction. After that drop, we clearly see that the market did a retracement and come back and actually to the 0.618. Right here, this look like a false breakout. So this now actually catch Wolipa stop loss. So this catch Wolipa stop loss and come back down and then retest and now it's retesting this area, which is a
Yeah.
resistance. So with the
I
market,
feel like it's all come back now.
yeah, the market always try to do false breakout. As you can see, it always try for the false breakout here, false breakout. This actually is a head and shoulder. This actually is a head and shoulder, right there, right there, right there, and then it's straight down. So that's how we know that the market is going to do that. And clearly, the market is now just retesting this area, which is a resistance now because it broke the structure, and now
Mm-hmm.
retesting this area on a weekly time frame. Daily, let's jump into daily and see what the market is doing. Let's see. So you can see a lot of rejection right there, support. So we are expecting for the market. So the market currently I try to retest the area to finish as you can see on the weekly. See W. Boom, did the W and retrace to this. Most of the time, it normally come down to the neckline of the W or the
Mm-hmm.
neckline of the M. Always, you try for that. So, and the neckline always add up to like 0.6, 0.639, or 618, sorry. But always use your Fibonacci and draw it from where the rally start, which is the low, and go up to the high. And you can see the golden ratio aspect, the golden ratio area it come around to around this area, and then now it's retesting because it break the support, and now it's going to turn resistance. So you can see right there, this is clearly a resistance. So now what I'll be waiting for on the GBP USD is for a bearish candlestick, and then we should expect for the market to continue on the
Wait, wait.
downside. But
Let me which one.
yeah, but at this time, I am not sure because, as you can see, let me zoom in. As you can see, this candlestick clearly engulfs this one, clearly engulfs it. So it might be a possibility, say it engulfs it for try and break this the resistance. So
Mm-hmm.
we just have to wait until around today, what, Monday? Tuesday, Wednesday. So around tomorrow at 4 o'clock, we should see either a candlestick like this with a long wick coming down, which is a clear indication that it's going to be a bearish, and then that only then we would actually take the trade. So we have to remember that we react and not just predict. So we don't predict and say the market is going to do that. We react to once we see a clear indication that the market is continuing the bearish or the bullish. So that's our markable chart. We realize that now it's currently at the resistance area. So once we see a strong wick, then you definitely know so we are gonna jump in on the trade and enter a sell. As you can see on the COT, everybody's doing a short. So we're not expecting to do a a long on this. We're not expecting it. Definitely not.